Hi, I'm Gabriela Iancu, a photographer and a senior visual content designer at Adobe. Join me on Adobe Live for a captivating photography live stream where I'll guide you through the process of creating stunning still lifes and share composition techniques. I'll demonstrate my photo editing workflow using Lightroom Classic and showcase retouching and color grading techniques in Photoshop to add that extra touch of magic to my photographs. We'll also dive into the exciting world of AI-generated content with Adobe Firefly, exploring the exciting possibilities it brings to still life photography. Whether you are a beginner looking to refine your style or an experienced photographer looking to elevate your techniques with photo editing or AI-generated content, you're in for an inspiring and educational session. Join me on Adobe Live on June 1st. See you soon!